Everyone. Let's see, here we are. I'm Lars Bildsten, I'm the director of the KITP. It's wonderful to welcome all of you, many familiar faces and many new faces, which is great. We do this every year and we intend to continue doing this every year. This is supported by the National Science Foundation. I'm getting many questions right now about KITP. We're doing fine and we're just going to persist. So just so everybody knows, everything's going well here. Our programs are vibrant. Obviously, we're taking advantage of the What is Particle Theory program. It's the second program we've had in 2 years with a question mark. The first one was What is String Theory? The second one was What is Particle Theory? The other scientific communities are puzzling because they don't ask these questions, but Flip's going to help us with that. I just have a few sort of bookkeeping announcements. So first off, for those who haven't been here before, all of the breaks and the lunches are in the courtyard, which is diagonally that way. There's restrooms down the hall to the left. There's a gender-neutral restroom straight down this way. There's also additional restrooms directly above both of those. Everything we do here is recorded, so when you have questions, please be certain to speak into the microphone so that gets recorded. That's an important thing. Our talks are online. Many of you probably know that. We also have a YouTube channel where we tend to put the talks we have that are more public-facing. And so I encourage you to take advantage of that resource. And absolutely it's the case that your students would benefit, I'm sure, from some of those talks. I want to thank a few people here. Of course, the KITP staff for what makes this place function so smoothly. So right before he sits down, I want to thank Craig. Craig Kunamoto. Thank you, Craig. Craig is all things IT and will be here today to help. And the passwords are here for the wireless. For those of you who've been here for 30 years, you may have noticed we did change the password. It used to be airport 12345, but Mark Bowick, the deputy director, decided. So that's the way to get onto the Wi-Fi should you need it. Hopefully the talks will be so entrancing you'll only be wanting to check their facts. And of course, it would not be right at all if I didn't thank Maggie Sherriffs. Maggie, please stand up. Maggie is the one that makes this thing happen along with all of the staff. So she works to identify what should be the topic, encourage people like Flip and others to do this, I would like to say twist arms, but it really doesn't take any arm twisting. All of our scientists really enjoy the interaction they're going to have today with all of you. And so with no further ado, unless there are any questions, I'm going to hand this over to Flip and he can get us going.